shoot you.
To all my fans and all my appreciators and all my loved ones, हाथ जोड़कर I'm saying, कान पकड़ के I'm saying, I don't drink and smoke at all. At all. The first time ever I have smoked is because Amir sir taught me how to smoke in the film and for the film. And later, after that also I don't drink and smoke. I've been a sports girl since my childhood. I don't drink and smoke at all. So all of you keep on complaining me and treating that don't smoke and don't drink, it's not good for health. I know it's not good for health. I don't drink and smoke at all.
I'ma shoot you.
That bullet I'm removing from J.M. Ravi's chest here, Amir sir put me in, I was sitting in the corner and he gave me everything. He's like, this is how you do it, this is how you do it. So I kept on practicing, and I was like, oh shit man, why do people become doctor and how do they become doctor? I'm all, God, it's so tough. But then, you know, I was supposed to do that and I did it.
I'ma shoot you.
I'm not, of course, but the basics, you see, I've done the basics. I've not actually cut anything or that it is already there. I made him because I am also playing a part of mafia. If you see, I am also a mafia in the whole context. So I made him drink alcohol, you know, and so that, you know, he doesn't have that kind of pain, which is a very basic thing to know. And first aid, I'm just doing first aid, I'm not operating or something. If you see, there's a first aid thing kept, and now that he is an underworld guy and, you know, a mafia guy, so I can't take him to the doctor. Obviously there will be a police case and everything happens. So basically whatever you can do at home, I'm sure that's what I did.
I'ma shoot you.
We are shooting the politician and he's not able to shoot and he throws at me. You know how many times Amir sir, no, so until it's perfect he will not. So every time there was an original gun he used to throw at me, I used to catch it. My whole hand got cut. It was bleeding. Actually the blood on the gun while I was shooting, while I was shooting for the shot, that scene. It was whole bleeding, and then I took the gunman who actually had got the gun in the corner and I learned how to do, you have to open it and open like this and open like this and open tuck. For 3-4 hours I kept on doing that, you know, looking at this here, okay fine, putting like this here, or everything. For 3 hours I practiced with that gunman how to do that, because Amir sir will not let any dupe do it. I will not want any dupe to do it. I have not used a dupe for even one shot in the film. Chasing sequence, action sequence, all these guns shots, everything is done by me. So that was one practice which now I know how to open the whole gun and put it back together. So I think that was a great experience I had.
I'ma shoot you.
Well, the last scene where I'm killed, where I think it is a very touchy shot where it shows that, you know, how I die for my love basically. And that scene, I don't know a lot of people like or not, but for my mother, when she saw it, she started crying. And I also felt that if I die, everybody has to die. So the day I die, maybe my loved ones will really cry.
I'ma shoot you.
My 2 Hindi films are ready to release, Khusar Prasad Ka Bhoot and Shooter. And I have an international film which is ready to release. It's directed by a Greek director, Kyriakos Tofaridis. These 3 films I can talk about. I have 4 more projects, but I'll not talk about it yet. But one thing, guys, I waited for 3 years for a film to release. And on a very serious note, thank you to all the people who said, Neetu is gone, she'll never come back. Rest in peace, Neetu. You're not going to come back. Thanks to all of them. Thanks to all of them, all the people who said, there's no potential. There's nothing. Neetu is nowhere. I really want to thank all of you. Thank you so much. And of course, nothing like it. If you would have not said that, I would have not been here. So thank you so much. Apart from that, I really want to thank all my fans, all my appreciators. You have been with me throughout, and I can't thank you enough. Now that everybody is appreciating and I'm really getting loads and loads of offers, there are people who were not there, but you will be always there next to me, because when I was not doing anything, you were there. So I love you all. Thank you so much.